The left side of Reveal controls your OCT image. First, choose if a mouse or rat is being imaged. Then, choose the right or left eye. Make sure Retina is selected here. The OCT can scan across a line, circle, or a 3D cube in the retina. This menu controls the size of the scan line. Before scanning, choose where images will be saved. In File Settings, choose a folder, write a file suffix, and select if any annotations or the date and time will be burned to the image. The date and time will be saved in the image name. To begin imaging, first center the mouse eye in the bright field image by manipulating the animal stand. Once centered, use the knob on the bottom of the micron to bring the nosepiece close to the eye. Push through the bright glare due to the gel to couple with the eye. Adjust the brightness and focus to get an optimal fundus image. The OCT image may appear on the screen as we see here. If it does not, you will need to manipulate the reference arm, polarization, and OCT scan head focus knob until it does appear. The reference arm is moved by clicking these buttons. The OCT image will move up and down as the +1 and -1 are clicked. If you have an upside-down OCT image, the reference arm is in the incorrect position. Click the +1 button until the OCT image moves out of the frame and then back down into the correct orientation. The reference arm is in the correct position when the retina is correctly oriented and is in the top third of the screen, as seen here. Turning the focus knob on the OCT scan head will bring the OCT image into better focus. If the image is very out of focus, it may not be visible in the software. Turn the focus knob until the image is as bright and sharp as possible. The location of the OCT scan on the fundus is controlled on the right side of the screen. Use the position nudge controls to move the line If the OCT image moves out of the top third of the screen, reposition using the reference arm. Changing the polarization will change the brightness of the image. Slowly drag the polarization tab all the way across its range and then settle on the brightest spot. If the polarization is incorrect, the image will not appear on the screen, so this must be optimized. Dispersion controls the sharpness of the image. Adjust coefficient A and B separately. Or click Auto Set. The image controls change the digital appearance of the OCT image. These can be changed post-capture. Click Average to get a composite image and then Save to keep the image. Adjust the number of frames averaged by changing the number under Number of Frames. Click Restart to exit the average image. Click Freeze and then Save to save a single frame. The appearance of the beam can be altered here. Change the angle of the OCT scan by choosing an angle or by typing one in. The digital appearance of the fundus image is changed here. This can be done in post-processing as well. A circle scan shows a linear OCT scan starting next to the arrow and circling around like this. To take a 3D scan, choose 3D, center the image on the screen, and click Capture. The software will slowly take a 3D image. Do not click on anything until the scan is done and you see this screen. 3D scans will be automatically saved. For more product information and additional training videos, please visit